Rose Jane, you are the one I want to spend the rest of my life. I vow to listen, to speak lovingly, to give generously all of myself, to care, to heal, to rejoice, and to pray with you, forever and always.
12 years with you was full of happiness, tears, adventure, and now, as we embark on our new journey, I promise to love you and to value you in my life as a precious gift, laugh with you and cry with you, grow old with you, and in spirit, and always be open and honest with you.
I love your kind heart and ability to understand me like no one else can. You are kind and caring, and one smile from you brightens my whole day. But most importantly, you are the love of my life, and you make me happier than I could ever imagine, and more love than I ever thought possible.
Sa kadugay namo, murag makaingon jud ko nga si Jana kay comfortable ko, kanang safe ko ug secured every time mag-uban mi. Ang ma-promise nimo bo nga maging faithful wife ko ug responsible nga partner o mother pohon sa atong mga anak pohon.
Nga ang kaminyoon is not just a two-person relationship. Dunay third party ang maong kaminyoon. Ang bana, ang asawa, ang Diyos nga naghiusa nila. God, in fact, is the most important party of all. Tungod kay siya ang naghiusa ninyong duha.
I look forward to raising our family and building our relationship under the care and guidance of God.
I promise to love and care for you, and I will try in every way to be worthy of your love. I promise to try to be on consistently loving you. I promise you my unconditional love, tenderness, and undying devotion. Do not ask you to be more than you are, and to love you for being you. But most of all, I promise to be a true and loyal husband to you.
Kung pangutanon mo nganong magminyo mo, tungod kay naghigugma ay mong duha. Love is God. God is love. And therefore, the one that binds you together is love. Siya ang gugma ug siya ang Dios. Inyo ning matngunan kanunay nga dili lang ni about you. This is about God and you.
I promise to stand beside you as your wife and friend in sickness or death, in times of prosperity and decline in peace and intention, as long as we both shall live. I love you always and forever, my Bo.
I will grow old with you and never stop growing with you. Through hard times and good times, through sickness and health, I always be at your side. I will love you for all the days of my life.